Friends, it was winter and just the day before Christmas, it was 24th December and the city of Salt Lake, America was under the chill cold and all the marketplaces were closed, the shops were closed. There were few traffics on the street of Salt Lake City because it was the time of closing the shops. So very few people were moving. In this time, only one shop was open. It was seen, and the shop of Ray, the old clock shop, it was open. And the owner of the shop, Ray, was preparing to close the shop for going home. He went back to his storeroom. Suddenly, he felt a gust of cold wind in his neck. Suddenly, he turned back and found two persons. They were standing at the door of the shop. One was close to 50 years, another was 20 years old. Both were looking at him. He thought they were the shoppers. They came to buy some gift for the Christmas from this shop. They might buy some watches or clocks as a gift for their near and dear ones. But situation changed. When the elderly person came close to the counter, he had unfriendly looking. So Ray doubted over them. They were not shoppers. They did not come to buy something from the shop. Rather, they came to rob him. And the elderly person put his right hand in his pocket. He might keep one gun and he wanted to take some money or things from his. But Ray did not move at all. He kept quiet and calm in his mind and tried to communicate with his visitors. He showed his ear and shook his head, telling them he was deaf. He could not listen to them what they were talking. So he passed one notebook with one pencil across the counter, writing there, "May I help you?" So saying this and with a gesture of Ray, the elderly person understood that this man was deaf, he could not listen to anyone. So he came back to the younger person and talked to him, and they were talking about Ray. He was deaf, he could not listen anything. So again, Ray write in the notebook, "How can I help you?" and pass the notebook to the elderly person on the counter. In this time, the person laughing mockingly at him, and he tried to take out the gun from his pocket, but still Ray did not move at all. He was quite calm and quiet. He dealt with the persons very friendly. He was a very experienced person. He understood that these people came to his shop in the dire necessity of money because it was the day before Christmas. They required some money, they were needy. He experienced this and he showed one loan board hanging in his shop. Many old watches and clocks were hanging in this loan board. Means he can take old clock and watches in exchange of money. So when they can they could return the money, they would take the watch or clock returned back. So this way, Ray tried to help the needy people with money, those were required in the eve of Christmas. So, hearing this, the elderly man looking at his watch, it was old, but he got the idea that he might get from this person with the exchange of his old watch. So he showed his watch and asked and wrote on the notepad, how much money would you give for this old watch? So getting this point, Ray took out one $50 note from his cash box, which was much more than the price of the old watch that belonged to the person. Ray had the concept that he should help needy people with money. Maybe it is return of one old watch, but he had to help them in the eve of Christmas that they might also celebrate this great festivity with happiness. So he handed over this $50 note to the person. The person was very happy. Ray also satisfied with himself by helping these needy people. Their concept changed. Actually, they came to rob the shop, but with the goodwill, with the goodness and kindness of Ray, their motive also changed. So this is the win of goodwill over evil. Those who came to rob the shop, they got help from this person, and all were happy. And Ray also get satisfaction in himself. When these three persons were standing at the door of the shop, the clock struck 12. All the clocks in his shop together started ringing different musical notes, and it was the celebration of Christmas. The Christmas was started, and the people standing at the door all were happy in this very moment. Christmas started. This is the story, and you have to learn this properly. You have to go through every line, go through the meanings, do the exercise, whatever notes I will give you, you learn it. All the best. Thank you, students.